Welcome. Take a moment to simply arrive. Wherever you are, whatever you have been doing today, let it gently fall away. You have entered a space of inner architecture. This is the foundation of Kriya Yoga within the Kundalini tradition. Over the course of this journey, we will explore the profound mechanics of your own life force. But for now, there is nothing you need to achieve and nowhere else you need to be. In this specific practice, we are removing the distraction of the external world. You do not need to look at a screen to understand what we are doing. In fact, for the duration of our time together, your primary screen will be the dark, quiet space behind your own closed eyelids. Close your eyes now, if you haven't already. Let us begin by understanding the landscape we are about to navigate. In the Kundalini tradition, we speak of a dormant, infinite potential resting at the very base of your spine. This is the Kundalini energy. You can visualize it as a coiled spring or resting spark of pure, unconditioned consciousness. It is the energy of awakening. To awaken this energy safely and systematically, we use a technology called a Kriya. In the West, we often think of yoga as a series of stretches, but a Kriya is something entirely different. The word Kriya translates to completed action. It is an alchemical recipe. It is a highly specific, mathematical sequence of breath, physical geometry, focal points, and sound. When you combine these elements in a precise way, you create a specific shift in your nervous system, your glandular system, and your subtle energy body. A Kriya is not arbitrary. It is a lock and a key. And today, we are simply learning how to hold the key. Every Kundalini practice begins by drawing a line in the sand boundary between the mundane chatter of the day and the sacred space of the self. We do this through a process called tuning in, using the Adi mantra Ang Namo Guru Dev Namo. Translated, this means, I bow to the infinite, creative consciousness of the universe, and I bow to the divine teacher within myself. It is a reminder that the ultimate authority on your well-being is your own inner wisdom. Let us tune in together. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Begin to rub the palms of your hands against one another briskly. Feel the friction. Feel the heat generating between your palms. You're awakening the thousands of nerve endings in your hands, balancing the left and right hemispheres of your brain. Now, stop rubbing. Press your palms firmly together in prayer pose at the center of your chest. Let the sides of your thumbs rest gently against your sternum. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale completely. Inhale deeply again, feeling your chest rise into your thumbs, and let it go. Now, inhale to tune in. You may chant aloud with me, or simply let the resonance of the words wash over you. An Namo, Guru Dev Namo. An Namo, Guru Dev Namo. An Namo, Guru Dev Namo. Take a deep breath in. Suspend the breath for just a moment. Press the palms together. Feel the vibration of the sound settling into your heart center. And exhale. Relax your hands down to your knees. Keep your eyes closed. We will now establish your physical foundation, your posture. Whether you are sitting cross-legged on the floor or upright in a chair, bring your awareness to your sit bones. Feel them rooting heavily into the earth beneath you. Imagine you are growing roots anchoring you deeply and securely. From this heavy, grounded base, bring your attention to your spine. Imagine a brilliant, golden thread attached to the very crown of your head. Feel that thread being gently pulled upward toward the sky. Notice how this naturally elongates your spine, creating space between every single vertebra. Now, gently tuck your chin just a fraction of an inch toward your throat. Your head does not drop forward. The chin simply draws back slightly. This is called the neck lock. It opens the back of the neck, allowing energy to flow freely up the brain stem. You are now sitting between heaven and earth, rooted yet reaching. The engine of every Kriya is the breath, prana, the life force. Before we can move energy, we must learn to breathe. We will practice long, deep breathing. It is a three-part wave that massages your internal organs and signals to your nervous system that you are entirely safe. Place your left hand on your belly and your right hand on the center of your chest. As you inhale through your nose, send the air all the way down to the bottom of your lungs. Feel your belly expand outward into your left hand like a balloon. As the breath continues, feel your lower ribs expand outward to the sides. Finally, as the lungs reach maximum capacity, feel your upper chest and collarbones lift into your right hand. Now, exhale in reverse. The chest falls. The ribs contract. And finally, the belly pulls gently inward toward the spine, pushing the very last drop of air out. Let's do this together. Inhale, belly expands, ribs flare, chest lifts. Exhale, chest falls, ribs narrow, belly pulls in. Continue this wave. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. With every inhale, you are drawing in vital, luminous energy. With every exhale, you are releasing tension, stagnation, and doubt. Take one more deep, three-part breath and exhale completely. You may return your hands to your knees. Now that the breath is established, we will introduce movement to awaken the spine. In Kundalini Yoga, the spine is the central channel, the superhighway for your consciousness. We will practice seated spinal flexes, sometimes called the Camel Ride. Keep your hands resting on your knees or shins. Your eyes remain closed. As you inhale, use the leverage of your hands to gently pull your chest forward and upward, arching your lower back. Your shoulders roll back, and your heart opens toward the front of the room. Keep your head relatively level. Do not throw your neck back. As you exhale, round your spine backward like a cat. Tuck your pelvis under, hollow out your belly, and let your shoulders roll forward. Inhale, rock forward on your sit bones, heart opens. Exhale, rock backward on your sit bones, spine rounds. Begin to move rhythmically with your breath. Inhale forward, exhale back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Keep your face relaxed. Keep your jaw loose. Focus your internal gaze at the center of your forehead, the space between your eyebrows. Feel the movement originating from the very base of your spine, that coiled center of potential, and rippling upward through the vertebrae. You are physically massaging the central nervous system. You are breaking up the crystallized tension in your lower back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Allow the breath to become powerful. Let the breath move the body rather than the body moving the breath. You are doing beautifully. Just a few more cycles. Stay with the rhythm. Now, inhale deeply. Come to a perfectly straight, neutral spine. Hold the breath in. Lift your chest. Tuck your chin slightly. Feel the energy you have just generated vibrating along your spine. Hold, and exhale. Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Sit in absolute stillness. Do not rush to move. Do not rush to open your eyes. Simply witness the echo of the practice. Notice the tingling in your hands. Notice the warmth in your spine. Notice the spaciousness in your mind. This subtle vibration is your life force waking up. This is the architecture of your own energy. You have laid the foundation. You have tuned in. You have anchored your posture. You have deepened your breath, and you have awakened the spine. Take a deep breath in and let it go. When you feel ready, gently rub your palms together one more time. Place them over your closed eyes, letting the warmth soak in. Slowly blink your eyes open into the darkness of your hands and gradually lower them, letting the light back in. Thank you for your practice today. In our next session, we will dive deeper into the engine of Kriya, the profound science of pranayama. Until then, move gently and carry the stillness with you. Sat Nam.